Actually, I wanted to build a male wellness center in the beginning. The males are taken aback and there's no really clinic for them to tell themselves that this is mine, this is where we go, this is where we get our aesthetic aspect of a management. So I think at this point in time, we really have to make a male wellness center for the men itself, right? I think this is different because one, this is the first male wellness center in the South. Second, we will be housing 3 machines, which will be the first in the Philippines in innovation. I thought that branding it Rejuvenation or Rejuvenate will make it a more appealing brand for my clients. For the aesthetic wellness part, because we have products here in the clinic that will entail anti-aging, and some of the products will be dwell-in and aligned with your erectile dysfunction. The idea of architecturally designing this male wellness is to make them homely and very manly in itself, because when you look at the colors, more on the male side of the color choices. Treatment management, that's the ground floor. The second floor is the patient's lounge. And especially with the problems that the center is principally dealing with erectile dysfunction, they want to have it private. Then the art lounge, which is the third floor, is made for meetings. You can do discussion, and basically it houses some of my collection for the past 20 years. So I share it with my patients. I think this is very important because when you make the center or the male wellness center not like a hospital, it makes the patients more appealing and to come to the center. So I think this is something that is made very structurally like a home, because you have to know that the main treatment machines that we have and the modalities that we are treating is erectile dysfunction, which is very sacred and which is very private. We want to be pioneer in making the first ever male wellness clinic. Second, we want people to know that we can have this and we can have something for the men. Then I think being pioneer is not only putting yourself in a self-preservation and telling yourself that we will not share this, because later on we will use this center to train individuals or other specialists like us with regards to the machine and other treatment modalities that will be given or shared by the center itself.